Alright, boys and girls, it's time for Fundations again. Let's get started. So our drill sounds start with large sound cards. Here we go. T, ta, t. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, m. N, nut, n. I, itch, I. U, up, Awesome. Now let's start doing the standard sound cards. Today, let's start with the vowels first. So we're going to start with the pink ones. I, itch, I. U, up, B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, m. N, nut, n. T, top, t. Okay, boys and girls, this is a new activity we're going to learn. It's called Bowel Extension. It's going to help us stretch out the vowel sound. Now, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But we are just going to focus on I and U today. So here's what it looks like. I, itch. I, itch. I, itch. That's U, up. U, up. U, up. Great job. Okay, boys and girls, it's now time to practice our two vowels. They are both plain line letters, so let's get started. The first one we're going to do is the lowercase I. So I is a plain line letter. You start at the plain line, you go down to the grass line, lift and dot. I, itch, I. So you're going to start the plain line, go down to the grass line, lift and dot. I, itch, I. And you're going to start on the plain line, go down to the grass line, lift and dot. I, itch, I. Okay. Now we're going to go from the I, and we're going to do the lowercase u. U is also a plain line letter, which means you start the marker on the plain line. You go down to the grass line, curve up to the plain line, straight down to the grass line. U, up, Let's try it again. You start on the plain line, go down to the grass line, up to the plain line, and straight down to the grass line. U, up, One more time. You're going to start on the plain line, go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line, down to the grass line. U, up, All right, boys and girls. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a little game. So I am going to give you a sound, and you're going to write that letter on your board. Here we go. So the first sound we're going to do is I'll give you a hint. It's a skyline letter. The key word is fun. It is the letter F. F, fun. Did you get it? All right, let's do another one. Okay. It's a plain line letter. The key word is top. T, top, t. Boys and girls, this is a fancy way to do T. We don't write T like that, but we gotta know that sometimes it is written like that because you will see it in a book. Okay, so it is written like that, but we write it like this. Next one. B, b, b. The key word is bat, and it's a skyline letter. Start at the skyline, you go down to the grass line, go back up to the plain line, and give B a belly to the grass line. B, bat, B. Okay, our next one. Look at my mouth. It's a plain line letter, so you're going to start on the plain line, and the key word is man. Start on the plain line, go down to the grass line, go back up to the plain line, give a bump, trace back up and do another bump. M, man, My M's a little sloppy, that's because I'm all the way over here. Okay, next one. The plain line. The key word is nut. Here we are. You start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, and one hump to the grass line. And nut. Now let's move on to our special letters. Okay. The key word is insect, excuse me. The key word is itch. Go. I go from the plain line, go down to the grass line, lift and dot. I itch. All right, our very last one. The key word is up. It's a plain line letter. You. Start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, go back up to the plain line, and down to the grass line, straight down to the grass line. You, up, How'd you do? All right, boys and girls, I hope you had fun today. Remember, we learned the letters I, itch, you, up, They're both plain line letters. They're vowels, so we extended them so we could hear the vowel sound. Okay, so far we went over B, bat, B, F, fun, I, itch, M, man, N, nut, T, top, T, and U, up, All right, boys and girls, see you soon. Bye. I almost forgot, boys and girls. Please make sure you send me I and you written neatly on the writing grid so I can give you a smiley face for the day. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.